My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about WazirX coin. What's the price change goes in WazirX, what's the currently price, and what's the next change occur in WazirX coin. In this video I will show you, friends, and this video is very special and urgent videos for on WazirX holders, so please keep watch this video till the end, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel, friends. Now, friends, as you can see here, the current price of the WazirX coin is about 2.64 USD dollar, and if you look the change over in the WazirX coin, so the change is about negative 1.29%, and same like that the last one change is in positive 5.04%, and the last 1 week change is in negative, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the WazirX coin. What's the price change goes in the last 1 day, friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day price change is the change is a positive 5.404%. As you can see here, absolutely a jumping period of the WazirX coin starts now. So my suggestion for all of you is that please hold it. Now it's just a beginning. Don't sell it at this time. Now it's just a beginning of jumping period. The highest price is 2.77 USD dollar is the highest price of the WazirX coin in the last 1 day period. And now if we look the current price, so the current price is about 2.64 USD dollar is the current price of WazirX coin, friends. So what's your opinion about WazirX coin? Please share in the comment box. My opinion is that now they are absolutely a good chance occur in the WazirX coin. So I think it's time to hold WazirX coin because now they are in the jumping mode. So when the funding, great funding of the WazirX coin starts now, so I think it's the best time for you to sell your WazirX coin and take your profit and go away from the market, friends. So hope this video helpful for you. Please kindly don't forget to subscribe and like this video.